Hey guys, we're at Disney. I wanted to show you our room at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. Some of you have been asking about the one-bedroom villas. So this is a one-bedroom villa at Kidani Village. The living room sleeps 3. This is a pull-out, and so is this as a twin sleeper. It's got a full kitchen, fully stocked with everything you need. And here in the entryway, it's got a full bathroom. And then over here, when you come in, is your washer and dryer. So if you're staying for a week, especially with kiddos, that is so helpful. And then in here is the full bedroom off of the living room. That's got a king-size bed, TV and dresser. Rooms are very big. There's our balcony. And then the master bathroom is in here. Look at that shower and bathtub. And that's my favorite part. Lion King tile. Bathroom. And then there's a closet here that's got the safe and place to hang everything, extra pillows and blankets, and ironing board, extra place to put towels. These one-bedroom villas are awesome for a large family, or if you just want room to spread out where the kids can play in the living room and have their own space to sleep and have a place to put snacks and drinks and not have to feel like you're all on top of each other. And then of course you can get the Savannah view. We did the standard view, which in our case is of the parking area and the buses. So you can see the buses getting ready to go to the parks. But you can also get a view of the animals, and I'll show you guys that later from the other side. But I just wanted to show you our room. We're gonna go get our stuff and unpack, and I'll see you guys soon.